Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see in Shiba Inu update today. Pretty interesting, guys. It seems like Elon Musk and then Shiba Inu developer Satoshi might get into a Twitter battle. That's quite interesting and funny as well. Could be very entertaining if this happens. So we'll see in that video, and also we'll see about a Shiba burn update. It's almost 2 billion Shiba Inu to be burned. If these conditions are met. So that's what we're going to see in this video. Before that, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please do your own research before buying or selling any coin. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This channel is all about cryptocurrency, and I'll keep it real. I'm not here to open any coins, right? So if you can see this here, Shiba Inu developer versus Elon Musk. Can we expect the Twitter battle ahead? I'm hoping this will happen because this will be very interesting, right? All this happened because our Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk made a tweet earlier today saying that Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge and see how it goes. Well, all of a sudden, Satoshi responded to this straight to the tweet to Elon Musk saying that is a very sarcastic tweet, I would say. He said, meanwhile, Shiba Inu is available for via BitPay and Newegg and others of retailers. This is insane, guys, right? He's provoking Elon Musk to respond, and then so that he can have a conversation, and then so that the Shiba army is extremely strong. We are waiting for something like this. So he's actually inviting Elon Musk to retweet something. Let's see what happens. But as of now, Elon Musk has not responded to any of his tweets right away. If he responds, there could be a Twitter battle, maybe in the next few hours. Who knows, right? Or maybe in the next day. He's a quite busy man. But we all knew that both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu has massive for followers in Twitter, more than 2 million followers for each and every coin. But obviously, guys, Shiba Inu has amazing utility. The partnership they have done with PlaySide Studios, somebody is an Australian-based company where they have already proved that they can create games like Jumanji, Age of Darkness. So they have also hired William Wok from Activision. So the leader is great, strong. So he believes in hiring some great people, which have already done. So the gaming industry, metaverse, you can buy things with the Shiba Inu like Lamborghini, and then BitPay, a Newegg partnership where you can buy some gadgets. So you can keep on telling for the things happened in the last 4 to 6 weeks. While Dogecoin army is pretty strong, but then you don't see much of utility compared to Shiba Inu. So this could be pretty interesting, guys. I'm hoping we're going to see something happening in the next few hours. But apart from that, let's give an update on the burn update. So it seems like on December 26th, we have a burn party conducted by Big Entertainments, right? So Bigger Entertainments is owned by Mr. Stephen Cooper. He told that he is expecting almost 1 billion Shiba Inu to be burned if 7,500 Shiba Inu holders can pitch in $5 to buy tickets and music, which is a live party, a live event is going to happen on December 26th. If this happens, 1 billion Shiba Inu cans could be burnt, which will be sent to a dead wallet, which can never come into circulating supply. You can obviously go and check in the Etherscan. What he also told is, we have already burned 7 million Shiba Inu coins. So with this, he told that we have achieved almost 13% of the target. Still 12 more days to go. Anything could happen with Shiba. So that's one of the condition where we are seeing Shiba Inu could be burnt. The other one is the Canadian whale, who is quite pretty active buying Shiba Inu. If you can follow them on the Twitter page, they are extreme fan following, and then they support Shiba Inu quite a lot actually. So they have two petitions. One is they want the Robinhood listing, the petition to go above 1 million. Currently it's around 550 or 500 signatures, I guess. They want to make sure that they push Robinhood, and then they want Robinhood to list Shiba Inu. That's first condition. And the second one is they want this specific tweet so that many people can reach. So they want the popularity that Shiba Inu is being listed in Robinhood. So 25,000 tweets. If they see more than this retweeting this specific tweet, then the second condition is met. Then they're telling that they will burn almost 1 billion Shiba Inu coins. So 1 billion from Ask the Doctor and 1 billion from Stephen Cooper. It counts up to 2 billion, as we saw in the title actually. So I'm hoping this will happen. You never know what's going to happen with Shiba Inu. But Ask the Doctor, they have already created an app called Steps. where if you burn some calories, 10,000 steps a day, they are burning a fixed amount of little bit amount of Shiba Inu every day. So while seeing this, the Fed has already talked in the US, and we can see that the stock market is bouncing a little bit, in green, which is a good thing. Meanwhile, crypto is also a little bit bouncing with all the stable coins, Ethereum and Bitcoin is coming back up. Shiba Inu, well, stays flat, quad 034. That's because the volume is pretty flat. We are just away, like a couple of weeks away from Christmas, guys. So I'm hoping there won't be much movement in the holiday time. But don't panic still. There's a lot of money to be made in the Shiba Inu coin. You can't be rich in overnight, so you need some patience here. I hope you like this video. So definitely, please subscribe to the channel. I need some encouragement, and your love and support is much needed for our channel. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.